Hey guys, it's me, Bud, with another HTML video, and this time we're going to learn how to put tables. Now, if you went into a software like Word, you would already know what a table is. And if you don't, well don't worry, we're going to cover what a table is in this video. But first we're going to show you how it works. Okay, for those who already know what a table is, just write table border equals 0. And the reason why we're putting 0, well, I'll show you in the video as we go on. But stick with me, be patient. Then do slash table, and no need to put any border, because we already mentioned what the border should be up here. Oh wait, that's border, not border. There we go, that's border. Okay, now, underneath it, I must put some spacing. Oh, and by the way how I did that was I clicked the tab button. At least I think that's what it's called. You should be able to find it. It's beside the Q on my computer. Might be beside another one on yours. But either way, now we have to mention the row, like the table row. And you're probably thinking there, what's a table row? Well, let me show you. First, let's do one table row. And to do a table row, you need to do TR. I almost said TD, like TD Bank. Then do slash TD. Sorry, TR, oh my. And I just copy that because, well, you're gonna see why I did that. And right now, in the row, we are going to have to put a table data saying what you want inside that row. So table data, and let's put in the table data TTT. And let's just save this, bring this up, and here you see, okay, this isn't exactly the table I was expecting. Don't worry, I'm going to show you right now. Alright, now we have two tables. Sorry, now I have two rows. Before I get on with more rows, let me actually put more table datas first, because TD stands for table data, TR stands for table row, and table just stands for table. So let me put more tables, and this one will be PPP. Now see, okay, what's exactly the point? Well, if you highlight it, you'll see that there's actually separation between these two, because we've already, well, let me show you here. If you put the table border at 0, it won't show anything, but if you put it at 1, it will actually show you the table, and here it is. Oh, that's weird, that's the little thing in the middle. Oh, either way, this is what a table, oh wait, that's why. There we go. That explains it. Okay, this is what a table is. It's basically separation between stuff, if you didn't know. And you're probably wondering, why would anyone use this? Well, if they're trying to say, trying to short something. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what a table is already. You could use it for multiple different things. But for me, I usually just use it to sort other things. Like, here would be like, number, like, let's talk about food. Number of fats inside a cereal box, and this one will be number of calories inside a cereal box. And I'll name like different cereal boxes, and I'll even have a different category for different cereal boxes. And we would just say, okay, in Nesquik it has this much, and another one it had this and this. And basically, it's just supposed to do that, so it's easier to read. And actually, tables also help with memorizing things too. Now you're probably wondering, okay, well, what if I want this to go more down, like have more table rows? Well, it's really easy, because let me actually just do this. you just put more TRs. And recognize when it says table row, it means like one table row here and one table row here. So the table rows actually go down, even though it's a row, it's kind of a row going downward. So it's like, right, this is my first row, this is my second, here's my third row, and inside the row you put different data. Okay, here's my first data, here's my second, here's my third, and you could put anything inside of this. An image, a link, just words. You can put anything you want. And by the way, you're probably thinking, okay, well, what if I want the border to be bigger? Well, I'm going to show you. It could be as big as you want. Except if you want the inside border, that's not going to happen. The outside border will change, but the inside ain't going to happen. You can take the border completely out just by putting the border to 0. Either way, that's how you make a table. And just so you're not confused, okay, what goes left and what goes down. So let me put more of these in. Let me actually take out the table data so it's easier to read for you. At least one of the table data or two. Oh man, I'm messing this up badly. Let me just get rid of this. And now, it's not exactly hard to understand. Like, table rows have each row going this way. And you're probably thinking, okay, why does it go down? Because it's sorting it out. Even though the table row goes like, alright, this is a row, this is a separate row. You still need to put data in the row itself. You can have infinite amounts of data, so if I copy this, wait, I didn't copy it all. If I copy this, I could copy it and paste it infinitely. And it would go on forever in the table row. And I'm pretty sure it's pretty straightforward. You can play around with this yourself and come up with your own reason, okay, why it's like this and why it's like that. But this is my reasoning for it. Come back like tomorrow for another video. Probably still going to be talking about table rows, or maybe we're going to start talking about how you put points, or those little circle things you see when you're doing in Word. Actually, let me put up a Word thing so you know what I mean. Just so, you know, future, so you know what we're doing in the future. It's basically this. You know, you write something in, you have a bunch of points about something. That's what we're going to be learning how to do in a website. Just telling you as, you know, just telling you for no reason, really. Just telling you what we're going to do later and how we're going to do it. But either way, that's my video for today. Hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful night, wonderful everything. That's been my video. Have a great day. Subscribe, like, dislike if you didn't like the video. Comment down below what you did and didn't like about the video and my explanations. If you want another video on a different way of thinking of this, just comment down below. That's been my video. See you guys.